Hello, my name is Victor Ramos and this is my final project for CS122A. For my final project I built an RC car that is controlled via Bluetooth, via an app, and avoids a crash when it detects an object in front of it. The components I use are the Atmega 1284, a motor driver that controls both DC motors, a Bluetooth module that communicates to the Atmega via UCR and communicates to the cell phone via Bluetooth, and the ultrasonic sensor that is used to measure the distance. I will now demo my project. If I input going forward on the app, it will go forward. If I input going back, it will go back. If I input to the right, it will go to the right. If I input to the left, it will go left. Now let's say if there's an object in front of it, I'm inputting forward and it won't go forward. Same if there's, as you can see, if I'm going forward and it detects the object, it will stop. Now in this situation, when it detects something and it can't go forward, it could go back. It could go to the right. And I could go to the left. And that is my CS122 final project.
Okay.
I will now demo it in a more open space. Forward. You can see it won't go forward because it detects the door there. And it's just moving around, moving around. Yeah. Yeah.